Okay, welcome to the recording, to the tutorial. We are going to be working with Build Human Avatar. A lot of people are looking for information on this, and the Unity documentation is vague, to say the least. I'm going to try to go through this rapid fire because I don't really think most people want me to draw everything out, explaining every little thing. But there still should be enough content for you to understand everything, where you can build a API, or not an API, but a backbone, a back system that will let you create robots, put together different heads on different bodies, exchange heads, bodies, arms, even go down to the fingers, eyeball movement, etc. So, like I said, I'm going to go through this rapid fire. I have Unity already started up with the empty project. The project is in Unity 2019.3. I think 1F. We are going to create a few folders over here very quickly to just get our basic framework done out. So created a folder called Common, create a folder called Editor, create a folder called Scripts. And now let's create a few scripts. I'm going to create a script called HA part, Human Avatar Part. And that's not really a very good name, but good enough. And then I'm going to create another script called HA parts. And those should be our two basic scripts that we'll be using a lot in this. Let me see, what else do I want to create here right now? I want to create my editors themselves. So I will have an editor called HA Part Editor, and then of course one called HA Parts Editor. And then let's go over to our Common, and we're going to create a script called Math Extensions. And I'm going to open up that script. And we are going, these are not really math anymore, but that's what I've always called it. Or array common. Math is good enough because some of them are math. Let me open this up so I just copy everything directly. So I want, these are generics. I'm just going to copy them. I'll type most stuff out here. Let's see here. In addition, we will get to in a moment. I have that in another library. Okay, and minimize that. We have HA parts and HA part. We also need one called HA, or for Human Avatar, of course. Yeah, thank you, Unity and Microsoft. And we'll need an editor for that also. HA editor. Okay. Thank you again, Microsoft. And that's pretty much our lineup. Let's get all these opened up, because we're going to work in all of them. There we go. Okay, so now I'm going to right click in my hierarchy and create an empty game object, and I'm just going to call this HA. This is going to be where we put our skeleton. And then I'm going to create another one, and I'm going to call it hips. And that is our start. Okay, so let's get, we'll be going, we'll split this up into multiple videos, but for right now, let's go ahead and stop here, and see you in a moment. And don't forget to subscribe.